Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about query processing, SQL, and concurrency management. Let us see the meaning of query processing. Actually, query processing includes the translation of high-level queries into lower-level expressions that can be used at the physical level of a file system, query optimization, and actual execution of the query to get the result. SQL stands for a structured query language and can be pronounced as either SQL or SQL. It is a query language used for accessing and modifying information in a database. The language was first created by IBM in 1975 and was called SQL for Structured English Query Language. Since then, it has undergone a number of changes, many coming from Oracle products. With SQL, you can build databases, enter data into the database, manipulate data, and query the database data that is often used to make intelligent personal or business decisions. Today, SQL is commonly used for web database development and management. Though SQL is now considered to be a standard language, there are still a number of variations of it, such as MSQL and MySQL. By using a scripting language like PHP, SQL commands can be executed when a web page loads. This makes it possible to create dynamic web pages that display different information each time they load. Structured query language is a special purpose programming language designed for managing data held in a relational database management system. SQL is an standard computer language commonly used to access the data stored in databases. Historically, SQL has been the favorite query language for database management systems running on many computers and mainframes. Increasingly, however, SQL is being supported by PC database systems because it supports distributed databases. That means the databases that are spread out over several computer systems. This enables several users on a local area network to access the same database simultaneously. SQL works with relational databases which will organize data into tables, rows, and columns which correspond to files, records, and fields. Learning SQL opens a world of relational database management systems to you, such as IBM DB2, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and Sybase Adaptive Server. Structured query language is a standard computer language for relational database management and data manipulation. Most relational databases support SQL, which is an added benefit for database administrators, as they are often required to support database across several different platforms. SQL begins with writing the first select statement or SQL script without a graphical user interface. SQL uses many commands to insert data or to modify the existing data or delete some data in the databases. There are some commands, sample commands for given to delete the statement, update the statement, are given for your reference. The next concept is concurrency management, or it's also called as concurrency control. Let us see what is the meaning of concurrency management. Concurrency management is a database management system concept that is used to address conflicts with the simultaneous accessing or altering of data that can occur with a multi-user systems. To illustrate the concept of concurrency control, consider two travelers who go to electronic kiosk at the same time to purchase a train ticket to the same destination on the same train. There is only one seat left in the coach, but without concurrency control, it's possible that both travelers will end up purchasing a ticket for the one seat. However, with the concurrency control, the database wouldn't allow this to happen. Both travelers will be able to access the train seating database, but concurrency control would preserve data accuracy and allow only one traveler to purchase the seat. This example also illustrates the importance of addressing this issue in a multi-user database. Obviously, one could quickly run into the problems with the inaccurate data that can result from several transactions occurring simultaneously and writing over each other. Okay. The following section provides strategies for implementing concurrency control. Okay, so that is actually used in data warehousing and data mart concepts that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.